our vacuum products, our partners have a combined capacity of over 100 CNC machines and 30 orbital welding stations. These advanced welding capabilities ensure leak-tight performance and long-term reliability of every component. Every part is ultrasonically cleaned, rigorously inspected, and 100% leak-tested, guaranteeing the highest quality and reliability in line with industry standards. We maintain strict process controls to ensure consistent performance across every batch. For our gas delivery products, we provide solutions with superior quality while maintaining cost control. Designed for high purity and semiconductor applications, they are delivered on time to ensure consistent performance, minimize downtime, and safeguard process integrity. Continuous quality improvements ensure long-term value, giving customers confidence in both reliability and return on investment.